Okay, so here is really a probability question that we have a tree diagram. And in fact, I quite like developing a tree diagram just because it's actually make my calculation and make my thought process a lot clearer and understand the question a lot better as well. So now if I look at the fact that, Rudolph does go to the gym, and in the gym he would decide to use the treadmill or the cross trainer. So first of all, like it was on the first line that it says the probability of he will be using the treadmill is actually 0.8. So simply we can just put 0.8 here. And we know that within probability is either, like, we have two options, right? So those two options, all the probability should add up to 1. So meaning that the probability of Rudolph does not use a treadmill should equal to 0.2, which was calculated by 1 minus 0.8. Alright? And then there are also other information that was given in the second part of the question. It was saying that when he used the treadmill, which is this part, when he uses it, the probability that he will also use the cross trainer is 0.3. And which also means that, as I said, right, the probability of he does not use the cross trainer would eventually be just 1 minus 0.3, which is 0.7. Okay? And then another piece of information is that in case he does not use the treadmill at the beginning, the probability that he will use the cross trainer will then be 0.6. And again, the probability of he does not use the cross trainer will then become 1 minus 0.6, and that's 0.4. And we should have already completed part A for the entire tree diagram based on the information that was given. And now based on this, let's look at the part B together. So it's the fact that Rudolph used both treadmill and cross trainer. So let's try to see which are the scenarios. Use treadmill and cross trainer. So meaning that we would go down this route. So if I were to go down this route, and because it's an and scenario, is that the fact that I use treadmill and using cross trainer. So the way of us doing this would be 0.8 multiplied by 0.3, and that's 0.24. Okay, but one thing that usually I want my student to also pay attention to is actually write it at the front to also let the people know what you're really looking for. Is that the probability of using both treadmill and cross trainer equals to 0.8 multiplied by 0.3 equals to 0.24. And that's it for this probability question.